Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how to use the functions eliminate overlaps and divide at intersections. So let's immediately start to draw something. Drawings, I'm gonna draw two rectangles just to make an example of an L-shaped desk. In order to draw an L-shaped desk, we can also start from two rectangles. So one, and eventually using the O-snap from the corner down to here. At this point, we have two rectangles, as we can see, and highlighting one of them, you will immediately see the dashed line. If it's not blue and black, like it is for this side, but it is instead blue and white, it means that there is an overlap. Right now, also, as we can see from the right panel, we have two geometries. And what we can do, we can select everything, go in modifiers and click on our first function, so divide at intersections. Once you do that, as you can see now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 geometries. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, of course, is because we have the overlap. We can now select everything again, go in the arrow for the same function. So as I usually say, remember that when there is the arrow, it means that we have other functions. And here it is, eliminate overlaps. So we can click on it. And it's done. At this point we can get rid also of these two lines that we don't need. As you can see, now we have the first polyline, second polyline, then we have line, and as you can see, it's not white and blue anymore, it's just black and blue. And this is the same. We can at this point join everything. And we have seen in a previous video eventually how to do that. And this is our closed pony line. And remember, you can add the fillets and chamfers, if you need to. And also that we have seen it already. So go check that video as well in case you need it. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. See you at the next time.